If you are a solo content creator making YouTube videos, vlogs, or TikTok reels completely by yourself, you already know the struggle. You don't have a dedicated camera crew or a friend to hold the phone for you. You are the scriptwriter, the actor, the light technician, and the cameraman. The biggest nightmare of filming alone is constantly jumping back and forth just to adjust your camera angle. You take 3 steps to the right, and suddenly, you are completely out of the frame. Your videos end up looking static, flat, and honestly, a bit boring. But what if you didn't need a human cameraman at all? Today, we are looking at this incredibly budget-friendly 360 degrees smart auto face tracking phone holder that comes bundled with an extendable tripod stand. This $20 to $30 device claims to be your ultimate personal cameraman. In this video, we are going to unbox it, test its AI tracking limits, and see if it is actually worth your hard-earned money. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start with what you actually get inside the box. Opening it up, the first thing you see is the main tracking unit itself. It feels surprisingly robust and has a nice, matte finish that doesn't feel like cheap, flimsy plastic. On the front, you'll notice a small camera lens. This is actually the brain of the device, the built-in AI optical sensor. Beneath that, there is a simple power button and a USB Type-C charging port. Yes, it has a built-in rechargeable battery, which means you can use it completely wirelessly outdoors without looking for a power plug. Next in the box is the star of the show, the extendable tripod stand. Most tracking holders only sit on a flat desk, but this package includes a proper, height-adjustable tripod. It uses a standard 1/4-inch screw thread at the top, meaning you can easily detach the tracking base and use the tripod for regular cameras or ring lights as well. Let's put these pieces together and see how it performs. Now, let's talk about my absolute favorite feature of this gadget, and the main reason why it beats expensive, professional gimbals for beginners. It is 100% plug-and-play. If you have ever used a DJI Osmo or a Zhiyun gimbal, you know you have to download a heavy third-party app, register an account, turn on your location settings, and fight with Bluetooth pairing every single time you want to shoot. If the app crashes, your video stops. With this AI tracking holder, you don't need an app. You don't even need Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi connection. The AI camera sensor on the front operates entirely on its own built-in hardware. All you do is clamp your smartphone in, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds, and a green light turns on. It instantly locks onto your face or body shape. Because it doesn't rely on an external app, you can use your phone's native camera app for maximum video quality. You can use it inside Instagram Live, Facebook, WhatsApp video calls, or Zoom meetings without any software limitations. Let's put this AI to the test and see how well it actually tracks movement. As you can see, as I step back and begin walking around the room, the motor kicks in seamlessly. It offers a full 360-degree continuous horizontal rotation. Whether I move slowly or speed up into a faster pace, the sensor keeps up quite well, keeping me right in the center of the frame. What about vertical tracking? If you sit down at a desk or stand up, the clamp itself can be manually tilted up or down to lock in the perfect vertical angle. The tracking algorithm is optimized for human shapes, meaning it won't easily lose you if a pet runs across the room or if the background lighting changes. It also has a smart gesture control feature. If you hold up your open palm like a high five, the device temporarily pauses tracking so you can step away. Hold up an OK sign with your fingers, and it instantly resumes tracking you. This is incredibly useful when you need to change your clothes, fix your hair, or reset your props mid-shoot without turning the device off. So who exactly is this gadget for? If you are a sit-down talking head creator who stays completely still, you might not need this. But if your content involves any form of physical movement, this is an absolute lifesaver. For lifestyle and daily vloggers, it makes your indoor footage look like you have a cinematic production team. For cooking channels, it's a game changer. You can move smoothly from the cutting board to the stove, and the camera follows your every move hands-free. It's also perfect for fitness coaches, dancers, and fashion creators showing off daily outfits. Because of the included tripod stand, you aren't restricted to your bedroom desk. You can take this out to a park, set up the tripod on the grass, and shoot high-quality, dynamic outdoor vlogs completely alone. Like every tech product, it's not 100% perfect. Let's look at the downsides. Because it relies on a visual optical lens, it needs decent lighting to track you accurately. If you try to film in a pitch-black room with only a dim background light, the AI will struggle to lock onto your face. Also, the tracking motor is smooth, but it isn't built for extreme sports. If you sprint past the camera at full speed, it might lose you. But for the price point, the value is absolutely unbeatable. You get a smart AI tracking head, a completely wireless rechargeable setup, and a solid tripod stand, all in one affordable package. It completely removes the friction of filming alone and instantly elevates your production value. I have placed the best budget affiliate buy link right at the top of the description and pinned comment below, so make sure to click that to check its current price and availability. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment letting me know what gadget I should review next, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tech updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.